This is the iFlying 2D precision screwdriver, 2.5 millimeter Convex Cross. It actually really real made. The packaging is really nice. Look really nice, see? This is used to remove like a logic board. See the tip of it? Let's see. Let's see what can it do. Well. I will look for another logic board with screws in it. Okay, there we got one right there. Put it in there. And turn. This is much easier to use than the flat heads. Because the flat head you have to balance it. This one's already got a cross head already. You stick it in there. Turn it. Pretty easy. See? So that's nice. No more slipping when you turn the screws. All right. Hope you guys get you one.